Hello, this is Richard Wilson, company from Scottsdale. I just want to do a quick video on preparing for a downturn in the economy. Nobody knows if it's going to come if Trump does not get reelected, or if it's going to come in a month because of the virus, or if it's going to be in 5 years from now. Of course, nobody knows. But things you can do to prepare. Some of my investors are holding on to 15 to 20% cash, more often 10 to 15% cash versus 3 to 5% cash historically. Some of my investors are going for more high income investments with really high quality collateral. Many are sticking to the things they know best, or going into distressed assets, or assets where they can add a lot of strategic value. Some are going into investments where they can just get a great valuation because of their strategic value, such as one investment that I went into last year where I got in at 1/10 of the valuation that the next investor got in at just a month later. And if you can do that by using your strategic expertise to make small investments at really great valuations because you're going to be on the board or joining the board, etc., that can be something good to do while preparing for a downturn. Also, just looking at the strategies within our book that you can get for free at centimillionaires.com, in the Centimillionaire Strategies book, and dividing your investments into three categories of defensive, real estate cash flowing, and then operating business investments can help you see where you could be playing the best offense. And the best defense sometimes is playing a really strong offense. So just making sure that you're being more conservative, a bit more cash, more income, high quality collateral, really negotiating hard on valuations, and just preparing for going in hard on real estate when things do go down significantly. Some people now are getting some debt on properties if they just own them in cash because they know that that debt access might dry up in a down economy, but they don't want to get 80% or 75% LTV levels of debt. They just want some level of debt so they can have a bigger cash cushion, so when the market goes down, they don't have to deal with the banks pulling back on providing that debt. They now have more cash on hand. Others who did 75, 80% LTVs are now doing 65, 60% to be more conservative. Hope this video helps. I'm preparing for a downturn. Happy to chat about this more at one of our live events, which you can check out at familyoffices.com. I hope to see you at one of those soon. Take care.